Have you ever wondered why Scandinavian bathrooms always feel so calm and luxurious? The secret isn't expensive products. It's what they choose not to keep. Today, you'll discover 15 things Scandinavians never keep in their bathrooms and why removing them could transform yours. The first thing Scandinavians rarely keep is expired toiletries. Old skincare, sunscreen, toothpaste, and cosmetics don't improve with time. Instead, they quietly fill cabinets with products that are no longer useful. Many Scandinavians regularly check expiration dates and remove anything they no longer use. Fewer fresh essentials create a bathroom that feels cleaner, safer, and more organized. Another thing Scandinavians rarely keep is a collection of unused hotel toiletries. Tiny bottles of shampoo, conditioner, lotion, and soap often sit untouched for years. Instead of creating convenience, they slowly fill drawers with unnecessary clutter. Most Scandinavians prefer using 1 or 2 trusted products every day. A bathroom with fewer products feels cleaner, more organized, and much easier to maintain. Another thing Scandinavians rarely keep is expired medicine in the bathroom. Heat and humidity can reduce the effectiveness of many medications over time. That's why they regularly check medicine cabinets and remove anything that's expired. Many also store important medicines in cool, dry places instead of the bathroom. A safer home starts with keeping only medicines that are still safe to use. Scandinavians also avoid collecting half-empty shampoo and body wash bottles. It's surprisingly easy for almost empty products to pile up over time. Instead of keeping 5 nearly empty bottles, they finish one before opening the next. This simple habit reduces clutter and prevents unnecessary waste. Fewer bottles make every shower feel cleaner, calmer, and more organized. Another thing Scandinavians rarely buy is cheap plastic bathroom organizers. At first, they seem like the perfect solution for clutter. But adding more containers often hides the real problem instead of solving it. Scandinavians prefer owning fewer items rather than buying more storage. Less clutter means fewer organizers and a bathroom that feels naturally spacious. Scandinavians also avoid filling their bathrooms with decorative clutter. Too many ornaments quickly make even a beautiful bathroom feel crowded. Instead, they choose 1 or 2 timeless pieces that bring warmth without creating visual noise. Natural materials like wood, stone, ceramics, and small plants do all the decorating they need. A simple bathroom feels calmer because every item has room to breathe. Scandinavians rarely keep old, worn-out towels. Frayed edges, faded colors, and rough fabric can make even a beautiful bathroom feel neglected. Instead, they own fewer towels, but they choose high-quality natural fabrics that last for years. Fresh, soft towels instantly make the space feel cleaner and more inviting. Sometimes, replacing one old towel makes a bigger difference than redecorating the entire bathroom. Scandinavians also avoid collecting dozens of beauty products they rarely use. Buying every new trend often leaves bottles sitting untouched for months. Instead, they stick to a simple routine with products they truly trust. Fewer products make morning routines faster and bathroom counters much cleaner. Quality and consistency always matter more than quantity. Scandinavians rarely fill their bathrooms with disposable plastic products. Items designed to be used once often create unnecessary waste and constant replacement costs. Instead, they invest in durable items that last for years. Reusable products reduce clutter while also being kinder to the environment. Buying once is often cheaper than buying the same thing over and over again. Scandinavians rarely leave harsh chemical cleaners sitting out in plain sight. Bright plastic bottles can make even a beautiful bathroom feel cluttered. Instead, they keep only the products they truly need and store them neatly out of view. Many also choose gentler, eco-friendly cleaners whenever possible. A clean bathroom should feel fresh, not like a storage shelf for chemicals. Another thing you'll rarely find is duplicate personal care products. Owning 3 body lotions or 4 tubes of toothpaste often leads to forgotten purchases. Scandinavians usually finish one product before buying another. This simple habit saves money and prevents unnecessary clutter. Buying only what you need makes every bathroom feel more organized. Scandinavians rarely rely on artificial air fresheners. Instead of covering odors with strong fragrances, they focus on keeping the bathroom naturally clean and well-ventilated. Fresh air, regular cleaning, and natural materials create a more pleasant atmosphere. A clean bathroom shouldn't smell like chemicals. It should simply feel fresh every time you walk in. Scandinavians also avoid keeping broken or unused beauty tools. Old hair dryers, worn brushes, and damaged styling tools often sit untouched for years. If something no longer works or isn't being used, it doesn't earn a place in the bathroom. They prefer keeping only a few reliable tools they use regularly. Less clutter makes every morning routine simpler and more enjoyable. Another thing Scandinavians rarely keep is empty product bottles. Finished shampoo, lotion, and soap containers are recycled instead of sitting around for weeks. Keeping empty bottles only creates unnecessary clutter. They make it a habit to clear them out as soon as they're finished. Small habits like this keep the bathroom feeling fresh and organized every day. Finally, Scandinavians avoid overcrowded bathroom countertops. Every unnecessary bottle, gadget, or decoration makes the space feel smaller and harder to clean. Instead, they leave only a few everyday essentials within easy reach. Clear surfaces make cleaning faster and create a sense of calm every morning. Sometimes, the most luxurious bathroom isn't the one with the most things. It's the one with the least. Scandinavian bathrooms aren't beautiful because they contain more. They're beautiful because every item has a purpose. By removing what you don't need, you create more space, more calm, and less stress. Which habit surprised you the most? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more timeless lifestyle habits from around the world.